We all want perfectly manicured nails, and before that, we definitely need to take some nail care. And this is definitely the nail care that you will love. I'm including all the tips in this, so I am Mima, and you're watching I'm Girl You Don't Know, and these are the nail tips that you will love. This is how my nails look like with nothing on. See how healthy they are, and pretty sure that any nail polish I apply on it will look perfect. So that's the key. The key is to have very good base and very good nail care routine. I do have my personal nail care routine that I share with you, but these are the tips, and you will definitely enjoy them and you can apply them on your life no matter if you're a beginner or you're advanced at doing your nails. But the first tip is definitely to always file your nails. File your nails a bit towards the tips of your nails whenever you are doing a manicure. This will make sure that your nails are secured and that your nails are strong at the tips of your nails, where the breakage and the peeling mostly starts with. That's what happens in my case and in many cases that I have heard of. So I got to thinking, and ever since I started doing this, my nails never look better. Also, please no cutting cuticles. You can cut hangnails or something like that, but please don't cut your cuticles. And the thing that your nails are most going to love are nail oils. There's many brands that offer nail oils. I love this one by Madame Glam, but I also have my own mix, and I will share with you alternatives because I got so many questions about those as well. But when it comes to nail oils, you just want to apply them and massage them in. Yes, this is my own blend, and I made maybe 2 videos, but this is currently the one that I'm testing, so I'm not gonna share any details. But for now, I will be using this one by Madame Glam, and I'm just going to apply it on my nails. You see, it's super easy. Take it as your me time. There is no specific time or limited time that you can have nail oils on your nails or on your hands. My personal suggestion is to apply it underneath as well and up towards your hands as well. And I usually watch some TV show and I just keep it on my nails as that and consider it my me time. After that comes another tip, because I like to push my cuticles back once there is still a bit of moisturizer on, which is nail oil or anything you have choose. You can use your hands nail to push back your cuticles, and that is something that I suggest if you're a beginner, because that's most gentle way to push back your cuticles. But also there is specific tools for pushing back your cuticles. This is the one that I have and I do use it very often. It depends on my mood, but mostly you will see me using this or my other hand's nail. And also when it comes to nail oils, you can also just use coconut oil or olive oil. Yes, you can use it, especially if you're beginner and you don't have any oil or anything like that. Also, you can buy any brands nail oil, but coconut oil will do the job. You don't need to put it in the microwave because then it will lose its value, but what it's important just to kind of blend it between your hands, and then it just melts in this oily consistency, and then you can apply it on your nails as you can see here. And I also love to apply it on my hands, and that is super important, especially because you need to moisturize your hands as well. Not only does your hands show the first signs of aging and you can never do anything to your hands, but you can moisturize. And also people got me can we just apply hand cream on your cuticles? And yes, the answer is yes, you can, but only the nail plate will not absorb it as much, the oil that you apply would. But you can definitely use creams if you're just beginner. and obviously go towards your hands as well. And I always moisturize my hands. I keep talking about this, but yes, that is so important. That's why I'm talking about it so much. I'm using this body cream by Bath and Body Works, but this one does really work. And after that, I just take some rubbing alcohol and make sure that I remove everything from my nail plate, especially if I used any creams. That is another tip, and that way the base or nail polish will stay on longer. I'm going now to tell you guys there is like 3 steps when it comes to perfect manicure, which is base, nail color, and top coat. I'm first using base, and I'm going to show you, this is my Sasha Clear base coat. I use it for years, and I included it in this tips because definitely you want to apply base coat. I think that it's part of nail care routine, and of course, it's optional, but I would say to always have something on your nails, no matter if it's just clear nail polish or nail polish of your choice, or 3-step that manicure consists of. That way your nails will always be protected. Comes to chipping, what will chip is actually your nail color. That way nail polish is protecting your nail plate. So that's one of the secrets. And obviously you can pick any color of your choice to apply on your nails. I have many colors that I do love, and you most likely see me going for nudes or something very settled down, because I do like picking colors that are going to match my outfit. Or on the long run, when you apply neutral colors, you won't have to worry too much about it. But I do like other colors as well. This is something that I'm just recently enjoying, and I'm not going to share tips on how to paint your nails in this video, because I already have a video up on my channel which is the best nail painting tips, and you definitely need to see that so you can see how easy it actually is to paint your nails. But after that, I'm going to apply top coat, because that is the third and most likely final part of any manicure. Top coat will add beautiful shine. I'm using Sasha Vive, and that is like gel-like top coat. I mean, it's not gel, it just gives you that kind of shine. I love that one. It's super glossy, and I love glossy top coats. And usually after I'm done with my manicure and it dries, I go back and I do reapply cuticle oils. I guess you can apply cuticle oils or any oils even if you have nail polish on. That is the secret, and you definitely want to do that because your nails and your cuticles will be thankful for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because you like it and you actually support me. Don't forget to watch the best tips to paint your nails and some of my other videos, because there is so many on my channel. I will talk with you in a new one. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!